Yes. So hello everyone. So in the morning you have seen the the lighter version of ContextQA, which was like vibe testing tool that we built for Lovable. Now I'm presenting you the enterprise version, which is being used by the enterprise like Gusto, Japan Airlines, and those set of companies. So this is a more context aware testing. And in this audience, right, it would be a magic that you do not have to do anything and your software can be tested autonomously and you find all the bugs before you release, right? Because you do not need to do babysit that, hey, do X, do Y, and all those. So what ContextQA does is it connects with all the tools that you have in your tech stack, such as Jira, Slack, your production logs, or GitHub. And context QA automatically fetches the context from those information. So I will show you one example that how the enterprise like workflow will look like. Okay, so I'm over here. I'm just creating one Jira user stories that normally like product managers or those team writes down. So let me just write it down. Okay, so I just created a Jira user story, right? And this is like a autonomous process. So we have like a context QA agents. So basically, this is integrated with your Jira or in a GitHub. It will be through GitHub Actions, and it will like starts creating the test cases. So while it is performing, right? So what it will do, it will learn from your applications consistently basis. So it started automating this one scenario which you provided as action, and this is being like executed on your actual platform. So what it does, it creates that browser environment. It goes to AI agent goes to your platform and starts performing the test. But it is not only limited to that part what you have provided, because that's not the bug comes up from, right? It comes from the like edge cases, negative test cases, and all those. So AI agents, while it is performing the test, right? And if I will just refresh this page, it will starts like creating more and more test cases for you. And now AI agent already started, right? So it will go ahead and like starts performing the test for you. So if you see here, so it will create like positive, negative edge case and starts working behind the scene. So AI agent will go and starts performing very complex end-to-end testing. Now it will cover your like not only the functional testing but also API testing as well. So it is designed for the enterprises that it will take care of it. So what as an engineering leader you will get at the end of the day, right? So you just provide very basic information as a login. You can upload your design document. So like I will go back here. So you can come over here. You can just provide like, hey, basic information about your mobile APK or just URL with the configuration. Or you can upload your Figma designs or upload any of your document like Swagger Docs or so. It will learn from that and constantly work behind the scene. So what you get in a like couple of days of time, these kind of activity constantly will work behind the scene for you. So these are the like AI activities doing like as a AI QA engineer. So it creates a test case, automates, runs, auto fix, and provide like a full detail like a root cause analysis. Like if something is failing, then it will provide you like, okay, why it is failing, what data is missing. So it will guide you there. But as an engineering leader, what you are getting over here is entire coverage of your application. It will provide like all these modules. You have like these 20 modules. You have a positive, negative test case coverage and what are the open issues. But also AI agent crawls your applications and finds the area which are not covered yet. And it looks at your code base, it looks at your user journey, like it looks at many other data to provide you the full coverage. So basically it's your AI QA engineer, and human in the loop comes in where AI have a question for you. So it will ask you the question, hey, provide me the data. But rest of the part, AI QA engineer will take care for you. So in an enterprises, what you are looking for is the priority, how to prioritize. There are like test cases, which test to run at the same time, which are the bugs to fix. You don't know because you don't have the data. So ContextQA collects all the important flows and prioritize for you on daily basis so you can take the right action at the right time. Thank you.